Benvenuti Scholars.
I'm joined today by Dr. Tara Chavez and Dr. Kelly Maguire.
And they're going to help you take journal articles and use them with APA 7. So with that, let's get going, doctors.
Now let's try a journal article that has two authors.
The first author listed on the article will be first. So in this case, Cite, comma, first initial, period, comma, ampersand, second author's last name, Critchfield, comma, M, period, and then we'll close with the year publication in parentheses, followed by a period. Now, Dr. Maguire will discuss how to do the title of the article, which is a little different. She will also show you how to write the title of the periodical.
So in this journal article, there happen to be quotation marks and a colon. So we'll want to make sure that we keep those intact. So the first part is, what is unseen is eternal. Then we have the colon, undergraduate views of religion and spirituality in young adult literature. And as I mentioned previously, anything that follows the colon, the first word is also capitalized. So in this case, we have all of the important words are actually not capitalized. Just the first word, which is what, the word following the colon, which is undergraduate. Everything else is in lowercase, even though in the article, you may see that there are words capitalized. The title of this journal is the Journal of Research on Libraries and Young Adults. Now, as mentioned previously, this would be in italics, so you want to make sure that you do that.
Okay, so the next section of the reference starts with the volume in italics, followed by the issue in parentheses, comma, the page range, period, and then finally the URL.
According to APA 7, we should put the DOI if the article has it. However,
The DOI is a digital object identifier that identifies articles with a permanent link.
However, this article does not have a DOI, so we will be using the URL instead.
In APA 7, it's required that you leave the hyperlinks in the document.
For two authors, the parenthetical in-text citation looks like this. Parentheses, Chavez and Critchfield, comma, 2022, close parentheses. Notice their initials are not there. That's one of the differences between in-text citations and references.
Thank you, Dr. Chavez, and thank you, Dr. Maguire.
Let me help you get to graduation.